We are a Leicestershire-based charity caring for the underprivileged and vulnerable children and adults in Uganda and Pakistan, and this is achieved by a focus in three key areas: education, healthcare, and self-sufficiency. Our vision very simply is reaching out worldwide. This video is intended to provide an overview of the charity and what we do in each country. We established ourselves in 2003 and registered in 2005 with initial work in Uganda, where the work delivers schools and orphanages, support for street children, support in refugee camps, freshwater boreholes, business projects and community projects. And in Pakistan, the work began in 2006 assisting people in the brickyards, a refugee colony, support for the 2005 earthquake victims, the purchase of land for an orphanage, support for flood victims, and a clinic in Kashmir. As with any charity, it's through the raising of funds that we're able to make such a big difference, so let's do the numbers. The charity's income since registered in 2005 has averaged around £80,000 per year. The charity spend has averaged around £60,000 per year. The breakdown of the spend during 2010-11 can be broadly summarised in the following categories: 33% on building and land purchase, 22% on education, 15% on healthcare, 14% on animals and community projects, 11% small businesses, and 5% on overheads. And to explain what's involved in those categories: buildings involved for Uganda, construction of schools and ongoing support, clinics, a house for street children, churches, construction of carpentry and welding workshops, general stores, and land purchase. For Pakistan, investment and support in a refugee colony. Education covers for Uganda, education and full-time care for refugee children, street children and orphans, and for Pakistan, 4 teachers for the brickyards of Faisalabad and for the children in the orphanage. Healthcare is very broad, and for Uganda and Pakistan includes freshwater boreholes, clinic and hospital support, and mosquito nets. And specifically for Pakistan, sewerage, fresh water, and refugee colony. Next are animals and community projects for Uganda and Pakistan, including sewing machines, bicycles, popcorn machines, trees and land cultivation, and brick construction. Small business support, mainly in Uganda, includes general stores, hair salon, charcoal, chicken production, and pig breeding. And finally our overheads, which are very modest and in the main are for our Ugandan general manager's expenses and incidentals. And now for what we need in order to continue and expand on our work in both locations. In Pakistan, we project for the coming year a requirement of around £102,000 and for Uganda around £170,000. And this is broken down approximately in the following categories: £170,000 on building and land, £14,000 on education, £65,000 on healthcare, £11,000 on animals and community projects, £6,000 on small businesses, and £6,000 on overheads. We would love to explore with you how you can lend a hand and support our mission to reduce suffering in the locations that we operate.